Today I'm going to show you how to send embed messages without being a bot. Keep in mind though, you are using Better Discord, which is against Discord's terms of service, but you are also classified as a self-bot, which means you are using this at your own risk. This is a very high-risk plugin. Do not use this on a big server. Use this only on super duper small servers with your friends, and use it very sparingly, because if you don't, you could definitely get banned using it. Anyways, moving on, let's go to the first link in the description, and you will see Discord embeds in this little page here. You just want to right-click on raw and click save link as, and you should see it says send embeds plugin.js, and it's a JavaScript file. Click save. Then what we also want to do is, this is going to be the second link in the description, but it's the same GitHub page, but we're going to want to scroll down, and you will see this usage thing, and we just want to copy all of this text right here, the example, because this is going to show us how to format an embed. Now, once you do that, I'm assuming you have Better Discord installed, so we're going to go to our Discord, we're going to go into our settings and add the plugin, just like normal, opening the plugins folder. Then we have the plugins folder opening up, open up our downloads folder, and drag the plugin into the downloads folder. And now, once the plugin is enabled, all you need to do is go into any channel and paste in that massive chunk of text that we pasted in. Now, if you press enter, you're going to send the embed. And as you can tell, your text box doesn't clear, so keep that in mind. If you press enter, it is going to send, but it's not going to clear your chat box. Anyways, as you can see, we have a whole bunch of fields we can go through. We have a title, which is my cool title, and you'll see it up here. We have description, cool embeds. Then we have wow, multi-line. So basically, if you have description and then you create a new line underneath it, it's going to add multiple lines. Then we have our URL, and the URL is going to be the link on the title. Then we have a color, and this color is going to be the color of the embed. Then we have timestamp, which is labeled as true, and that's going to be this time thing down here. We have a footer image, which is going to be this little circle thing right here. Then we have our footer, and it says wow footers, and you can customize that. We have a thumbnail, which is going to be this image up here. We have an image, which is the main image. Then we have author, ABCD up there. We have an author URL, so if you click on the author, it'll take you to discord.app. Then we have an author icon with a PNG. So that's basically what everything does, and I'm just going to customize it just in case you had no idea what I said. Then it should make it a little bit more clear. So for my embed, I want this to be a huge self-promotion to my channel. At least I want to be annoying and have the chance of being banned, both from Discord and from the server. So for the title, I'm going to say, no text-to-speech YouTube with exclamation marks, because everyone loves them. And then the description is going to be subscribe to my channel. And then multi-line. So once again, you can add multiple lines underneath it. So I'm going to do subscribe to my channel, maybe a blank line. Then I'm going to say, or else I'll get you or something. I can't say the K word or else YouTube's going to think I'm trying to initiate in some massive plot to destroy the world. Then we have URL. And in this case, you would put in whatever you want. And that's the title thing. So if I say no text-to-speech YouTube, I want the URL to be a YouTube channel. So I'm going to just put youtube.com/no text to speech. Then that's the way it goes. Now for color, you can pick whatever you want. In terms of picking an easy color, I just recommend you going into your settings, go to server settings. If you are the server admin, go into roles, and then you can just edit any role, and you have a color picker here that will explain, all whatever color you want. You could also go on Google and find a color picker. I basically want it to be a little bit of a little pinky, maybe there. That's a good color right there. I am going to copy that, then I'm going to press escape, reset, because I don't want to apply those changes. Then for color, I'm just going to paste that in. For timestamp, I really don't want people knowing when I'm going to put it in, so if you don't want a specific field, guess what? You can say timestamp false, but you can also just remove it entirely. So this footer image, I really don't want it, and I don't want a footer, so I'm just going to delete both of them. Then for thumbnail, this image up here, I personally think it's kind of dumb. Not something I really personally like, especially when you get super complex embeds. This thumbnail image can actually cause some issues, so I'm going to delete it as well. Then for image, I am going to add my no text-to-speech YouTube channel avatar. So I pasted it in, and then the author, I want it to be, it's not going to be me self-advertising, it's going to be someone else. So I'm going to do DDD Douglas, I can't spell, Douglas. Then the author URL, this is just going to be a link. I don't want a link to my fake alt account, so I'm going to delete that. Then for author icon, all you need to do is just pick a photo. In my case though, I have Dino, so I can actually go into my bot commands, type $AV, then copy my ID, paste it in, and I'll get the avatar. Oh, that guy looks so beautiful. I'm going to copy the link, go back to general, and replace this link with the author icon. And when I press enter, boom, look at that. DDD Douglas, no text-to-speech YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel or else I'll get you. And then it has this picture here. There's no timestamp. As you can tell, I deleted things and they disappeared from the previous embed. If I click on the link, it'll take me to YouTube. And that is how to send embeds. But once again, before I even go any further, I just want to say this is a very high-risk thing to do. It's super cool, but trust me, I am using an alt account for a reason this time because Discord does not like this at all. So do not spam embeds. Like, for example, this is going to get me banned. Hopefully. I don't know. It's funny being banned from Discord. Anyways, just don't spam them. Don't be crazy with them. Don't use it to link specific things, and don't use it on public servers. Specifically that. Please do not use this on a public server. Moreover, I've also noticed that Dino will snipe these embeds automatically. So keep that in mind. If you maybe are on a smaller server with friends and you have Dino and your perms are set up where basically you can get auto-modded, this is going to delete your message. Anyways, that's the end of the video, sweetheart. It's Better Discord. You can just delete the plugin. You can uninstall Better Discord. Do whatever the heck you want. It's all up to you, sweetheart. Anyways,